Whoa, imagine this. You're feeling great one day and bam, a heart attack or stroke strikes without warning. Shocking, right? Picture yourself at a family dinner, laughing with loved ones, when suddenly your chest tightens and everything goes wrong. It's terrifying, but it's a reality for millions every year. But guess what? The sneaky villains behind most of these, up to 90% of cases, are blood clots lurking in your arteries, just waiting to cause chaos. Don't panic yet. Today, join me and our hilarious stick figures on an epic adventure to reveal the #1 ultimate meal that blasts those clots away, cleans your arteries like magic, and keeps your heart pumping strong. We'll break it down step by step, with tips you can use right away. Packed with real science from experts like Dr. Berg and Professor Douglas Kell. Sprinkled with fun humour that'll make you laugh and learn. This isn't just info, it's your roadmap to a healthier heart. Ready to dive in and save the day? Let's go full speed ahead. First off, let's get the facts straight. Did you know that 80 to 90% of heart attacks and 87 to 91% of strokes come from blood clots? That's not some rare event. It's the main reason why these silent killers strike. Think about it. Your blood is like a river flowing through your body. But when a clot forms, it's like a dam blocking the flow, leading to disaster. Normal clots are helpful. They stop bleeding from cuts and dissolve quickly, like snow melting in summer sun. But the bad ones, they're stubborn, sticky monsters that harden and cause major blockages, starving your heart or brain of oxygen. How do they get so nasty? It all starts with endotoxins, toxic byproducts from bacteria that sneak into your bloodstream. These aren't from outside germs, they're from inside your own body, escaping through leaky gums or a leaky gut. Yes, your gut health directly affects your heart. Who knew? Imagine your gut lining as a sturdy fence keeping bad stuff out. But everyday culprits punch holes in it, letting toxins flood in and inflame your arteries. Gluten from bread and pasta can irritate the lining, creating tiny gaps. Alcohol? It weakens the barrier like a party crasher. Seed oils in processed snacks add fuel to the inflammation fire. Ultra-processed foods loaded with additives? They erode the fence over time. Refined sugars feed bad bacteria, making leaks worse. Even common meds like NSAIDs for pain or antibiotics can disrupt your gut microbiome, widening those holes. And don't forget smoking. It damages blood vessels and gums, inviting more toxins. All these add up, turning your arteries into a battlefield where clots thrive. Now let's talk about stress, the hidden amplifier. In our busy world, stress is everywhere. Work deadlines, family worries, or even traffic jams. When stressed, your body pumps out adrenaline, which is great for fight or flight, but terrible long term. It weakens your immune system, making you more vulnerable to those endotoxins, and can skyrocket your heart attack risk by up to 2,000% right after a major emotional hit like losing a loved one. Yikes, that's scary. Studies show chronic stress thickens blood, promoting clots, so if you're always on edge, your heart pays the price. Shifting gears to the main villain, excess iron. Iron is essential for blood cells, but too much acts like rocket fuel for dormant microbes in your body. These sleeping bacteria wake up, multiply, and release more endotoxins, exploding the problem. Where does extra iron come from? Fortified foods are a big source. Think bread, pasta and cereals, pumped with iron during manufacturing. Iron supplements? Only take them if you're truly anemic, otherwise they overload your system. Alcohol pulls iron from your liver stores, adding to the mess. Even cast iron pans leach iron into food while cooking. If anemic, opt for heme iron from red meat. It's better absorbed and less risky. Signs of excess iron? Fatigue, joint pain, or dark skin. Get checked with a blood test. Professor Douglas Kell's research nails this. The iron microbe combo is a ticking time bomb for your heart, turning harmless bacteria into artery-damaging threats. His studies link it to plaque buildup and clots. But fear not, we've got the hero meal ready to disarm that bomb. This #1 meal is your secret weapon. It binds excess iron so it can't feed microbes, neutralizes endotoxins before they cause harm, thins your blood to prevent sticky clots, and seals leaky gut gums to stop toxins at the source. All working together to slash your risk of heart attacks and strokes. Let's build it ingredient by ingredient. Start with the main protein, wild-caught salmon or other fatty fish like sardines. Why? It's low in iron, avoiding overload, but packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and keep blood flowing smoothly like a well-oiled machine. Omega-3s also lower triglycerides and blood pressure, key for heart health. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces per serving. Grill or bake it for maximum benefits. Next, the salad base. Fresh arugula and beets. These greens are nitric oxide powerhouses, a natural compound that busts clots by relaxing blood vessels and improving flow. Nitric oxide acts like a natural aspirin, preventing platelets from clumping. Beets add a sweet crunch and extra antioxidants. Roast them for flavour. Together they can lower blood pressure in hours. For dressing, extra virgin olive oil, rich in polyphenols that bind free iron and fight inflammation like tiny warriors. Drizzle generously. Pair it with apple cider vinegar. It tightens leaky tissues, especially in your gut, by promoting healthy bacteria and acid balance. Mix 2 parts oil to 1 part vinegar for a tangy kick. Don't forget to add garlic. Crush a clove or 2. It's a natural blood thinner with allicin that has antibacterial powers, killing off bad microbes before they release endotoxins. Raw or cooked, it adds zing and protection. On the side, just 1/4 cup of sauerkraut, fermented cabbage loaded with lactic acid bacteria that gobble up toxins like Pac-Man. These probiotics restore gut balance, sealing leaks and neutralizing endotoxins. Homemade or store-bought, it's a game changer for digestion and heart. If sauerkraut isn't your thing, swap for kombucha tea or pickle juice. Both offer similar probiotic punches without the cabbage taste. Sip a small glass daily. For your drink, green or black tea, full of polyphenols that bind iron like magnets, preventing overload. Brew it strong for max effect. And dessert? 85 to 90% dark chocolate, a treat with magnesium to support steady heart rhythm and more polyphenols. Even sprinkle cocoa powder in your coffee for an antioxidant boost without sugar. Eat this meal daily, lunch or dinner, and watch your energy soar as arteries stay clean. Pro tip, prep in batches for busy days. Bonus tips to supercharge your heart. After eating, hit the pavement for a 10 to 20 minute brisk walk with nose breathing only. It ramps up nitric oxide production, dissolving any lingering clots and balancing blood sugar to avoid spikes. Start slow if new to it. Avoid these heart saboteurs. NSAIDs like ibuprofen. They irritate the gut. Antibiotics unless necessary. They wipe out good bacteria. Smoking, it hardens arteries. And refined sugars, they feed inflammation. Opt for natural alternatives where possible. Manage stress like a pro. Try daily meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Since it's a major clot trigger, even 5 minutes a day can drop your risk big time. Journaling or talking to friends helps too. Quick quiz. Time to test your knowledge. What's the #1 iron binder in this meal? A. Tea. B. Cereal. Drop your answer in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Spoiler, it's tea. But let's see if you got it. Bonus quiz. Which veggie busts clots with nitric oxide? A. Arugula. B. Potatoes. Comment away. And one more. Why avoid cast iron pans? A. They add extra iron. B. They're too heavy. Share your thoughts. Finally, download the Dr. Berg Junk Food Meter app. It's free and scans labels to help you dodge ultra-processed traps that fuel leaks and clots. In summary, this stick figure powered meal is your everyday heart shield. Simple, delicious, and science-backed to keep clots at bay. Incorporate it, add those tips, and you'll feel the difference. If you enjoyed this adventure, smash that like button, subscribe for more health hacks, and share your own heart health stories or questions in the comments. We're in this together. Remember, this is just educational info to empower you. Always chat with your doctor for personalized advice, especially if you have conditions. See you in the next animation. Stay strong and healthy.